Okay, so let's take a look at this problem here. We're trying to solve for x. So this might look a little complicated to you initially, but if we follow our principles, we should be just fine. What's inside this bracket needs to be looked at first. It cannot be simplified though, because you see 3x and 5, they're different types of terms. This is a constant right here. The 5 is a constant. This is a variable right here, okay? So it cannot be simplified. Therefore, we have to move to our next step. And in our next step, what we're going to do is we're going to multiply everything inside this bracket by 2. So let's get on that, okay? So 2 times 3x is 6x. And 2 times 5 is 10. It's a positive 5, so we get a positive 10. Okay, and then this is equal to 28. All right, now, what's happening here now is that we have a constant by itself, okay, right here. So we want to get rid of that because, remember, we're looking for x. So we want to get x on the side by itself, okay? So the first thing we want to do is we want to then transpose this right here, which means we want to take it over here. So it's no longer on this side, but when we transpose it, the sign will change, okay? So what we're going to have here is you're going to have 6x's on a side by itself now. And over here we have 28 minus 10. Okay, minus 10 because we transpose this 10 to get over here. So it's minus 10. So that's 6x is equal to 18. Now, are we finished? No, we're not looking for 6x. We're looking for x. So now what we have to do is focus on this 6. This 6 is our final problem. We got to get rid of that 6. So right here, x is being multiplied by 6. So what we're going to do then is to get rid of that, we have to divide this by 6. See, these will cancel out now. And I'll be left with just x. But if I do that on one side of the equation, I've got to do it on the other side of the equation. Okay? So now these cancel. And I'm left with x is equal to 18 divided by 6, which is 3. And that's my answer. Other videos in this and other series are available. Like, share, and subscribe if you found the video helpful. If there's a topic you'd like to see us tackle, just let us know.